Sappping, I tell you exactly what's happening. Welcome back to another video. It's Beetle Diaries time. Here we go. That's what you want to see, really. It's not me, innit? All the new parts up in there. She might be looking high. She's not high. She's on the ramps. Because it's time to get all this done. And to be fair, it's a clip that's way over alignment on it. I think that's why it's dropping the oil back out with that one. So I'm going to replace all this, all new clips. Then I'm going to put the rubber ones on as well. And that's going to be done. And there's going to be no more oil leaks, because the garage can't take it anymore. So there we are. It's going to be a short clip, but I'm going to update you as I go, show you the finished product, and it's going to be done when it's done. So my boy Wax Gleam detailing, he's over here as well. He's giving hands on stuff. Main mechanic man, I tell you, he's good to do. So check out his website as well, Wax Gleam detailing, link in the description. So here we go, another little bit of step-by-step going on. These new rocker covers, right? Which I don't realise. I'm a bit annoyed about it, because on the description they said it would fit all bugs 12 to 1600. Obviously this is a 1600 engine, 1200 car. But these little side bits on here now, right? Now I'm no mechanic, but there's something on the block that's bloody stopping that. So basically I've spent 20 odd quid on these just to have the clips. So all I'm using out of that 20 quid is the clips. So I'm going to clean up this all right, clean this surface right up now. There's none of that shit on there. I'm going to put the new rubber gaskets on there as well. You know, that's what I had my boy Chris looking at, just to double check it over that I wasn't going absolutely bonkers. And then you can see then the difference in these, where how bent that is in comparison to this. So that should hold it nice and tight and get the old ones back on the car with the new rubber gaskets, and hopefully, just hopefully, no more leaks. But until then, let's have a coffee. So there we go, just to update you a little bit. I'm not going to say it's done, because last time I said it's done, that's when shit happened, wasn't it? So that's on. The clips are solid on there, whereas before you could literally do the clips by hand. Now it's a screwdriver job on it. They're on solid, you know. So I've just topped the oil up as well. It's running so sweet. So that's done. I'm going to introduce you as well to one little wheel on here, wherever it was grinding before, where they weren't doing properly. See all this? I've tried to clean all this up. I couldn't really get it properly. So my man now, Wax Gleam detailing, he's gonna put some cutting compound on there and see if we can clean it up to match the other three wheels, which are pretty good, aside from I got one little rust mark there. You know what I'm saying? So let's keep our fingers crossed. And there we go. He did his thing again. Just check that. Near enough restored our wheel back to where it was. All that stuff, I could not get it off for love of money. So it's done, it's off, it's looking good. That's Beetle Diaries, that's the 65. I'm hoping we're not going to be making one of these for a little while, aside from just some easy, up-to-date good stuff, not bloody oil leaks and all that stuff. I can't take it anymore. The drive can't take it anymore. The garage can't take it anymore. The car can't take it anymore. I'm just playing, it's all good. So a bit skippy from you today, but that's a few points of what's happened today. It's absolutely stunning weather. And I'll go take it for a cruise and enjoy it. So peace and love as always. Take care. Boss and Bundy's out.